Hello there. If you're seeing this, you are looking for Aunt Squeak of Aunt Squeak's Home for Wayward Hikers. I'm Aunt Squeak, and these are the rules to stay at my place. So, as you know, if you've heard on the trail, I do not charge people to stay at my house in the Gap. However, I am sort of a secret, and if you know about me, it's because you heard about me, because somebody trusted you to be able to stay here. There are some rules that I want you to know ahead of time and agree to before you come. May not be your jam. That's cool. Rule number one, I am not a hostel. I am a hiker who helps hikers. I'm a long-distance hiker. I've been a hiker for a long, long time, probably longer than some of you are alive. And so I moved to this town to do this kind of trail angel work. I'm not always open, and I'm not a hostel. So if you need hostel services, I completely recommend Bert's in town. I believe it's $35 a night. There are also some amazing AirBNBs in town and VRBOs. I recommend those as well. This kind of stay works for a certain kind of hiker, and you are welcome to stay if you can agree to these things. Rule number one, don't poop in my yard. Nobody has ever done it. As far as I know, it's the only rule that hasn't been broken. I don't care if you pee in my yard at 2 in the morning. Just remember, I have neighbors. Those neighbors have children, and nobody wants to see your business. So, the door to the bathroom and to the kitchen and to your devices is open all night long. There's a porch and hiker boxes there. You are welcome to come and go as you please during the night, so no need to poop in my yard, right? Everything that you need is provided to you for showering and for laundry. I actually will do your laundry for you. That just keeps my machines clean because I use vinegar after every load. And so I will deliver your laundry. I'll tell you to identify a laundry captain. That person, I will take your laundry. I will deliver the laundry to the laundry captain, and you sort your own panties because I am not doing that. I'm not your mama. All right. So the theme of this video is I am not your mama. So the rules are this: clean up after yourself. You know, I'll give you a garbage bag. We provide everything to you except for food. I don't provide food. That's sort of the arrangement I have with the town, that you will either go to our restaurants, where we have an amazing grocery store that's not a chain, that's right behind my house. We have an amazing full-service grill and a fire pit. You are welcome to have a family dinner with your family. We'll provide plates, pots, pans, flippers, salt, pepper, all that kind of stuff. We have a refrigerator that you can use. We also have a bunch of coolers out back. You're welcome to get beers and wine and slushies and whatnot in town. You know, you're welcome to, like if you're going to see your aunt, that's what this is like. So you have access to all that, but we don't provide any kind of food or beverages to you. We have water, but that's about it. So clean up after yourself, and don't poop in the yard. And it's a 2-night max. As much as you're going to love staying here, and I love you, you're going to get back on the trail because you can't live at Aunt Squeak's house. We make exceptions every once in a while if you're injured, but that's on a case-by-case basis. We do have 2 urgent cares here in town, and you know, if there's an issue, we'll talk about it. Sometimes I will provide slack packing. I work full-time, so that's not always an option. And I'm not open if I'm on trail, because I only do this if I'm home. I have a disabled son. He won't talk to you. He's autistic, so please don't be offended by him. He won't be mean to you, but he will not probably say hi back to you if you say hi to him. This is his home, and he should feel comfortable. So this doesn't happen if I'm not home, and I do travel a lot. So that's why it's important to know that there are other places to stay. Don't get arrested. You know, if you act like a fool, please don't come and act like a fool at my house. Really, we've been here since 2019. We've hosted over 580 hikers, and only 5 people aren't welcome to come back, and in all 5 cases, hard drugs were involved. So if you do heroin, meth, cocaine, whatever, pills, whatever, just keep walking. You can't stay here. Likewise, if you're drunk off your mind and you can't hold your liquor, you're going to be taken back to trail personally by me, and I may look like a little lady, but I will pick you up and haul your ass out of here. So keep that in mind. You want to have a good time and play guitar, and if you do play guitar and don't have one on you, let me know. I can probably get one from somebody in town. Rumor has it that I play the bagpipes. I do every day at 5 o'clock, so if you like bagpipes and you're hearing them on the mountain, I guarantee you that is me playing. So don't let the cats out. That's another rule. And as much as I love dogs, and I will snuggle the crap out of your dog, dogs cannot come into the house We do have a garage, and if the weather is absolutely shitastic, we let you, kind of hang out in there, and the dog can stay in there. We'll provide dishes and treats and snuggles and love. But my cats are afraid of dogs, and this is their home, and we don't want them to feel, we don't want them to feel like afraid of their own house. So, let's review. Don't poop in the yard. Stay only 2 nights. Don't get arrested. Don't do hard drugs. Don't let the cats out. Take care of yourself. And what did I miss? There were 7.
The guitar.
The guitar? My son says it's the guitar. Play the guitar if you have one. Anyway, I am wishing you all the best of the trail, and I look forward to meeting you. If you have my number, it's because somebody gave it to you and somebody entrusted you. However, you can get it. It's buried somewhere in far out, but it's also in both the trail logs on either side of the gap. I will try to pick you up from the trail if I can. Like I said, I do work from home, so it's only a little bit from here. Hitching in is very easy. You want to go down to the bottom of the mountain, cross the street, and hitch from that side because that brings you into town. And pretty much everybody in town knows my name is Squeak or Beth, and everybody from Palmerton knows that I do this and knows who I am. But if not, I will text you my address, and you're going to come to the back of the yard. You're not going to knock on my front door because I'm not going to hear you. You're going to go right to the back, and I'll meet you out back. And I'll give you the lay of the land, the house tour. And again, there are no fees. I am not a traditional hostel. I'm not a hostel at all. And it's very important that you don't call this a hostel because I don't charge. If you're a hostel, that has all kinds of legal and financial obligations that you are just my niece or nephew or other fairy folk, and you're here as my guest. And I do this on purpose because I think in this world we need a lot more people shining light and love and doing things without expecting a return. Some people insist on donating. If you donate, that money goes to Warrior Expeditions. They are a group that puts veterans out into adventures, including through hiking and long-distance biking trips and ski trips and stuff like that. My husband is a combat vet, so we are very supportive of the veteran community. If you are, part of an alternative lifestyle community, you are welcome here. We do not discriminate against anybody for any reason. Whatever you believe, whatever you're into, not my business, and I'm just happy for the human you are. So, wishing you all the best in light and love. Welcome to the Gap. Bye-bye.